I designed 3 modules that deliver training in the knowledge and skills required to work in environmental regulation, management and consultancy, providing our undergraduates with an advanced awareness of the expectations of employers in this popular area of careers for geographers and environmental scientists. At the heart of this training is Authentic Assessment, enabling students to demonstrate and develop these attributes in field, laboratory and computer practicals and in consultancy reports that mimic real-life practices carried out by professionals. In one module, for example, students act as a hydrology consultant for United Utilities Water Company and use an industry-standard modelling technique to evaluate whether a dam in the Peak District National Park can withstand an extreme storm event and thus comply with current safety standards. Students also act as a flooding consultant for the Planning Department of Lancashire County Council over a proposed residential development in a flood zone. Here, students use industry GIS software to identify assets at risk at different flood magnitudes and advise the County Council on an alternative location for the development in a low-risk flood zone. In another module, students form their own geotechnical consultancy to advise the Environment Agency on why landslides occur at Thirst Aston on the Wirral and recommend a range of intervention measures along with their associated benefits and costs. In a third module, during a week-long field class in the Peak District National Park, students work in groups to identify and analyse an environmental problem in the park, producing a group presentation and consultancy report to invited stakeholders within the national park, and a field notebook that assesses their ability to produce a log that could be used as an acceptable form of evidence in court in the case of a breach of UK environmental law. EBISIS end of module surveys have revealed these consultancy-led assessments have significantly enhanced student satisfaction on the modules concerned. For example, the 3 modules have consistently scored overall satisfaction scores of over 4.5 for the last 5 years, with one module jumping from a score of 3.7 to 4.6 when Authentic Assessment was introduced. Student feedback comments have shown that students feel this approach has enhanced their learning and deepened their understanding and has equipped them with professional competencies and skills, ultimately providing a stimulating learning experience that encourages them to pursue a career in environmental stewardship.